Hi, I'm Bruce Gehring, Superintendent for Dripping Springs ISD, and welcome to my podcast. Our high school students really are rocket scientists. And what better way to learn than to really build the rocket for yourself and experience what it's like to launch? Let's go look at what they're doing.
Hey, I'm Coach Swanek. I've been working with Miss Erickson's class on a special project on rockets. We've been studying free fall and looking at the math, and what better way to study it than to actually launch things. So she got the idea for us to build these contraptions and launch rockets in the air and time them, and then study how they actually fly in the air and how high they actually got just by using math.
So my name is Mrs. Erickson, this is physics, and we're studying up and down motion, like things launched into the air. So here you have a displacement versus time graph, so you can see how the rocket goes up and then it comes back down. That's the easy one. Then velocity, it started off at a high speed and then it slows down to where it has zero velocity, and then it speeds back up, but it's going downwards.
It's on a lot of the things.
So when we were designing our rocket, we didn't really know what we should have done to make it go higher or take more time in the air. So we just kind of built it, and we put a cone at the top and we put wings, triangle wings on the sides, and it turned out that the people that had the smaller cones ended up going farther in the air, and our cone was really big, so we only went like 5 meters in the air, but other people went like 20 meters in the air who had smaller cones.
It's not in the safe zone.
3, 2, 1.
It was nice to be able to watch the rocket go up and down, because sometimes it's hard to visualize the fact that it slows down as it's going up, and then it actually stops in midair at the top, and then it speeds up again as it's going down. So that's kind of hard to visualize when it's on paper, but as you're watching the rocket go up, it makes it easier to understand how it happens.
Hi, I'm Cal, and one thing I found interesting about this rocket project we did for physics was the fact that everything that we got to do was kind of like our own way. Like, we had a set size for the rocket, but he let us customize it and create it like any way we wanted, and so I found that really fun throughout the project.
I was fascinated not only by the rockets, but by the invention of the launching mechanism, which utilized a garden sprinkler valve and 3 9-volt batteries. Thanks for listening. Have a great week.